Welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to show you how I am growing beets in zone 7 for 2022. This is part of a challenge. There's a hashtag there if you want to follow along. What I did is I took these produce crates, filled them full of container soil, but before I did that I did disinfect them with some organic soap. And these are about 9 inches deep. And when I got to 6 inches deep, what I did was I put in half a cup of 0-10-0, some bone meal, and then I added half a cup of hollytone. That's a 4-3-4. And the reason I did that is I want the soil to be slightly acidic. Beets like it slightly acidic, about a 6-5. Ideally you want 2-10-10 to grow beets. So we're going to have too much nitrogen in there, but I did add in the bone meal to try to get more phosphorus into that soil. And then I mixed it up, and then I finished it off with another 3 inches of a container mix. And the top of these things are probably about 1.5 foot square. And so I went ahead and planted them without worrying about thinning later. So they're planted 3 inches apart. So that's 6 a row, 2 rows a crate. That's a dozen of one and a dozen of another. These are Chiagia. That's a beet. Has that little nice stripe on the inside. Takes about 2 months to get right. And that's the classic Detroit Red. Both of these are from Wyatt Corals, which is a company out in the southeast. They actually sell stuff for Zone 7, so I trust them. If they're selling it, it's probably going to grow. So if it doesn't work, it's all my fault. If you want to know more or see more about growing beets or join the fun, check this out right there.